How to start a bakery business in Uganda. A bakery business is an establishment that deals in making and selling of baked goods like bread, cakes, daddies, and much more. Starting a bakery business involves steps that we will look at today. So let's jump in. Step number 1. Make a business plan. You need a business plan that will talk about what your bakery is about. It should have the type of bakery business you want to make, the place where you plan to make it, and also the amount of money your business requires to start. Step number 2 is choosing a type of bakery business. Bakery businesses have many types. You need to choose one type that you'll focus on. Types of bakery business include the following: 1. Bakery cafe. 2nd, counter service bakery. 3rd, food truck bakery. 4th, home bakery. And 5th, specialty bakery. After choosing a bakery type, you go to number 3, which is raising capital. Your business needs capital in order for it to start. You can get capital from the following sources: 1. From your savings. 2. From bank loans. 3. From investors. And 4th, from friends and family. For more information on raising capital for your bakery business, I have left a link in the description below. Please check it out and see how you can raise capital for your business. Let us move on to step number 4. Step number 4 is buy tools and equipment. Requires tools and equipment you'll be using in bakery. Tools will include ovens, you include flasks, tables, knives, and many more. You can buy these tools and equipment from online stores or supermarkets. Step number 5 of starting a bakery business in Uganda is hiring employees. As your bakery business grows, you may need employees to work for you. If your bakery business is small, this one does not apply. But if your bakery business is big, or you're going to start a big bakery business, then you need to hire employees. Yeah. Step number 6 is starting your business. Now that you have put all that in place, it is time to start, and it is time to open your bakery shop and start making money. For a more detailed explanation on how to start a bakery business in Uganda, click on the link in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.